Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some Legend steel door thresholds for the Ford Transit van. Let's get into it. Okay, these are steel door sills, door thresholds for the Ford Transit van, for the side door and the rear door. Weird thing about the Ford Transit is about half the time it doesn't come with step for that side door or for the rear door or any type of threshold or anything like that. And so you're kind of left with just this entry and exit point for the vehicle that gets scuffed up really easily, damaged, dented, scratched, all of that. And so Legend makes these products really to go along with their floors, like their stability grip floor and their rubber floor. But we have a lot of customers who buy these just because their Transit doesn't come with anything from the factory and they need something to protect that step. And so in this box, we're gonna have two components. First thing is, it's kind of on a frame here, but we do have this orange hardware enclosed sticker. That's just a quality check that Legend does to make sure that you get all of the hardware that you need to install the steps. But our first piece right here is going to be for our side door. This is just a steel threshold door step. This covers the entire inset step on the Ford Transit vans. Now, they offer this in a couple of different variations. Color is one of those variations. Number one, you can get it in yellow like this, high visibility yellow, or in black. Both are gonna have kind of a textured finish on it to give you that non-slip surface. So that's great, but you can get it in yellow or black. The second variation of this is you can get it with or without the full lower step. And what that is this little piece right here on the inset part of the step. You can get it with this or without it. So basically, if you cut off all the way around here and remove it, that would be the sill that you would get without that full step. Now on the Ford Transit van, that inset step on the side cargo door, sometimes they do have a factory plastic step that's right there. So if you wanted to just retain that, you would get it without the full lower step, or if you wanted to go over top of it or remove it, it's really up to you. But to give you that maximum visibility, especially if you go with like a yellow color right here so you can clearly see that step, you know, it's recommended to get the full lower step just like this. So this is for that side door. And we have a matching threshold for our rear door. So this is interesting, and we'll take a look at this later. But right here, anything else in the box? No. So this is for the rear door. As you can see, it's gonna match that contour of the rear door frame back there. I believe this is a hole, so you can still make use of that little area to lower down that spare tire. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attachment points for attaching it to the back of the van. Speaking of attachment points, we do have our bag of hardware right here. Just want to take a look at what we get included. So it looks like we have some of these black push-in clips, so I'm not sure. We get 5 of them, so I don't know if that is for the rear door. And this lines up with some holes that already exist back there in the van. We're gonna be installing this in our van in another video, so if you're curious how this gets installed in the Ford Transit, be sure to check out that video. So we do have 5 of these black clips right here. We have another hardware bag. I'm wondering if this is for the side step. So, yep, looks like it might be, because these are little clips that actually go into, I believe they're like elongated holes, almost like an oval hole. And you push those in there, and then you actually use one of these metal screws to screw into this location, and it expands and basically pinches on that opening in the step, and it's going to keep the step in place and all that. So I believe that you will insert these. Looks like they give you quite a few of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't even know if there's 9 holes in this, so must give you some extras, unless some are for the rear door. That might be what's going on here. And then we do have 2 of these little white, almost rubbery clips. I'm not sure what these are for. We got 2 of them. Got some more of these plastic push-in clips, and then some more of these screws, almost like a deck screw. They got a little star head on them. So plenty of hardware. Again, if you're interested in how this gets installed, we're gonna do another video showing you how to install that. Now, one thing I did want to take a look at is this piece right here. This is actually Stabiligrip floor, it looks like, from Legend, that's cut. And I'm wondering if this is for the this lower part of the step. I'm not entirely sure. Again, watch that video to find out what this is for. We'll figure that out in another video, so be sure to check that one out. But this is everything that you get in the kit. Again, you can get it in yellow or black. You can get it with and without this little lower part of the step. They also have a dual door option. They also have this in aluminum. So a lot of different variations for this particular product. And this is about what you're going to get from the factory. Now, if you're looking for this still set or any other equipment to get your van ready for work, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. My name is Ryan, and have a good one.